Hello friends, welcome to Quickly. Today I'll show you how to change PDF to Word on your phone. This one is the PDF file, the sample file, which is located in my document. So let us open our favorite browser and search for small PDF. Go to smallpdf.com and choose the first one, then go to Tools, then choose scroll it down, you'll find PDF to Word. Then choose your file from my document. And then after that, this is a file, 5 gray relational analysis. Choose that one and then wait for some time, it is uploading. Then choose the convert option. Then it will take some time, it is converting to Word. Then finally you can download the file. You can open it just and check it. It is editable Word document, so you can edit it or you can use it according to your requirement. It is converted into a Word document. So you can also edit it, choose some part of your document. As an example here, I can edit introduction part like this. I can change its color and I can write it again or change style. So this one is the first method. You can also change the spacing and make it some amendments, modifications. The second method, go to ilovepdf.com and then you can scroll it down, PDF to Word, choose that one, select PDF file from your document, in my case. Then 5 gray relational analysis, I'll choose this file. Then convert to Word option at the bottom right corner. Then it is converting, it will take some time. Depends on the size of your document, and finally download the file. Then if you open it, it is converted into Word document. You see it's shown here, it is converted to Word document. So this is the second method, and easy method and free methods. So you can use these methods to convert your PDF file into Word document on your phone. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.